Good morning. Say hello.
Hello.
You're eating breakfast. Some more breakfast, I should say. Is it good? Say, good. Did you sleep well? You spent the night at Grandma and Grandpa's house last night? Yeah. Burp. That's funny. You're goofy. You're funny. Did you say Nana this morning? Did you see your Nana this morning? Say, Nana. How about can you say Lita for your great grandma? Lita? Yes. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm sorry. You're talking with your mouthful of food. Did you say Mama?
Mama.
Did you say Grandpa?
Baba.
Yes. Can you say Michael? Michael?
Daddy.
Yeah. You say Darius? Destiny? Irene? Michelle? Yes. Can you show me your eyes? Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Yeah. Where's your ear? That's your ear. Yes. That's great. You're getting so smart. Today's June the 4th. So it's been... You're 17 months old. Yes, you're getting so big. Yeah. You say amen? Amen. That's right. You like them peaches? What's the doggy go? Ruff, ruff. What else do you do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. I'm videotaping. He's imitating me.
Did he eat the peaches?
Yeah, he's eating. Yeah. All right. We'll say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. That's good.